हरिओम। भागन सा मिलो तई संतन जो मेलो. This Sindhi bhajan is not just a melody, it's a divine reminder that we have met the saints, the satsang, and the truth by great fortune and divine grace. Each line of this bhajan is a mirror showing us how rare this moment is. The saints won't stay forever, life won't wait forever, and this human birth is not forever. Like the Ganga that flows, like the pearls that vanish in waves, like a bird that flies away, so too are the rare chances to drink the nectar of a Guru's words of wisdom, Guru's vachans. So pause, listen, absorb, because in this ocean of satsang, even a single drop can set us free. A rare blessing has come to us in the form of satsang. Don't just hear the words of wisdom, live them to the fullest. भागन सा मिल्यो तई संतन जो मेलो, बुद्धि वट वचनन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो. By great fortune and divine grace we have met the company of saints, a true guru and satsang. Listen to their words of wisdom. This is the time to listen and internalize it. Meeting saints or being blessed with satsang is not ordinary or a small thing. It's divine grace earned through lifetimes. But the blessing becomes real only when we internalize this wisdom. True understanding shines in not just speaking these words, but living each of those words, those vachans to the fullest. पखी संत साधु मिड़ई गाल हिकड़ी, रहन रहन ॾींहं ॿ टे या रहन राति हिकड़ी. हाणे ही वञनि या सुबुह जो सवेलो, ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो. Saints and sages are like birds, always moving from one place to another to share what they have to offer. They are not tied to a place or a time or person. Sometimes they may stay at one place for one night, and at other times they may stay for few days. This means that saints are rare and very few amongst billions of population. The whole world needs their wisdom to attain peace and liberation. And as per God's will, they keep moving places to impart this spiritual knowledge to as many as they can. So when we seekers get the time of the saints and their company, we must make the most of it. Always prioritize satsang and company of a true guru, because time is limited, and if we miss even one satsang, it's a big cost. To transcend lifetimes of tendencies and ignorance, we need at least one whole lifetime of satsang. And every satsang gives us treasures of inner transformation, of realizations, of clarity. वहे थी गंगा तू भी गोतो हणी वट, खुदाई खजाने मां खर्च कढी वट. संग न हलंदे पैसो अधेलो, बुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो. In the flowing Ganga of vachans, the words of wisdom from the master, from a true guru, let us dive deep and taste their divinity. Let's claim our share of divine wisdom and love from this huge treasure of spiritual knowledge of God. This spiritual knowledge and divine love is the real wealth to accumulate, because from the illusory material wealth, not even a penny we will carry after death, and anyway nothing belongs to us. But we can save and treasure this true wisdom, this true wealth of spiritual knowledge, and it goes with us wherever we are. Our time is flowing like the Ganga, swift and irreversible. The real treasure is therefore not material wealth or material world's attractions, distractions, or people, but the real treasure is how much love and grace we have shared in this lifetime. The real treasure is the spiritual knowledge that liberates us, that frees us from the cycle of birth and death, that gives us liberation while we are alive, Jivan Mukti. Detachment from the material world is not about giving up everything. It's simply clarity on what is the truth and what truly follows us beyond death. Only purity and love, divine love. समुंड जे अॻियां तूं झले भी झोली, अचानक अचई का मोतियुनि जी छोली। सुञाईअ खां तूं थी संभेलो, ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो अथई वेलो। Stand in front of this ocean of wisdom of a true Guru, with your heart wide open to receive the grace of satsang and the words of wisdom. You will not even know when suddenly a wave of divine love, wisdom, clarity touches you and transforms you. In satsang, you will be protected from any emptiness of the mind, loneliness or sadness, as you will discover eternal bliss through the waves of divine love within yourself. A true Guru introduces us to this divine bliss in our own self. He makes us meet the divine within, because a true Guru is God Himself on this planet. So never miss an opportunity to be in satsang, to be in the company of saints, to be in the company of a true Guru. Always prioritize it. It's like ocean of love calling us. पुननि सां प्रेमी सत्संग मिलियो अथई, पूरब जनम जो को करम खुलियो अथई, मानुष्य जनम वरी मिलण दुहेलो, ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो अथई वेलो। By great merit, we lovers of God have been graced with this treasure of satsang. Some rare good karmas of past lives have borne fruit now, that we have been blessed with a true Guru and satsang. We have received this human life after 84 lakh births, after many lifetimes. And if we miss this opportunity to be one with God in this birth, we won't get this human birth again. Human birth and satsang are the most precious gifts of all existence, earned over countless lifetimes. To waste them in distractions of the material world is the greatest sorrow, the greatest foolishness. It is now, in this very life, that liberation is possible if we make the most of this human birth, if we don't take for granted all the beautiful blessings that God has graced us with, if we value satsang and make it as our first priority, because only satsang, a true Guru, will make us achieve our life purpose of discovering our true self, of discovering our oneness with God. And liberation is possible only through satsang. Liberation from the life-death cycle, liberation from our negativities, our vikars, mind. And only satsang gives us the gift, the treasure of spiritual knowledge, wisdom, divine love, and oneness with the divine. This bhajan is a wake-up call. It reminds us life is short and time is limited. And this opportunity of human birth and this satsang, this grace of satsang, the company of saints, a true Guru, is rare and sacred. Make the most of this opportunity. Fulfill the purpose for which you are here. Discover your true self and oneness with the divine. Stay in that oneness. Live every word, every vachan of satsang. Keep spreading the word of God. Stay blessed, stay divine. Keep immersing yourself in these divine words of wisdom, because it's a huge fortune to have received this treasure of wisdom in the form of satsang. भागन सां मिलियो तई संतन जो मेलो, ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो। भागन सां मिलियो तई संतन जो मेलो, ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो। भागन सां मिलियो संतन जो मेलो, ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो भागन सां मिलियो अथई। पखी संत साधू मिड़ई ॻाल्हि हिकिड़ी रहन ॾींहं ॿटिया रहन राति हिकिड़ी हाणे ही वञनि या सुबुह जो सवेलो ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो भागन सां मिलियो अथई। वहे थी गंगा तूं भी गोतो हणी वठ खुदाई खजाने मां ख़र्च कढी वठ संग न हलंदे पैसो अधेलो ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो भागन सां मिलियो अथई। समुंड जे अॻियां तूं झले भी झोली अचानक अचई का मोतियुनि जी छोली सुञाई अखां तूं थी संभेलो ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो भागन सां मिलियो अथई। पुनन साण प्रेमी सत्संग मिलियो अथई पूरब जनम जो को करम खुलियो अथई मनुष्य जनम वरी मिलण दुहेलो ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो भागन सां मिलियो अथई। संतन जो मेलो ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो भागन सां मिलियो अथई। संतन जो मेलो ॿुधी वठ वचन खे ॿुधण जो तई वेलो ॿुधण जो तई वेलो ॿुधण जो तई वेलो।